Hello everyone, in this video we will work on this nice problem here. It is a problem 66 of Leet Code Top Interview 150 questions. It is a nice combination of integers, strings and lists, and we will solve it with Python. The input of this problem is an integer which is given as a list of its digits. We will increment by 1 and we will return the new number as a list of digits. Let's go straight to the solution, and we are given a list with digits. Each item is an integer, so we want to change each item to a string first, and for this we will digits as string. We will get the string of each item for I in digits. Now we will join the items of this list, and this will give us the string of this integer, and now we will get the num itself, which is this one. We will increment by 1 plus 1, and now we will do the reverse process, and we will get the string. Let's call it new num. New num string is the string of new num, and as 0. This will give a list with the digits as strings, and now this will give us the final result, which will be the integer of each item. So what we did here, we took the digits list. For each item we took the string, so here we get the 1, 2, 3 as a string, and we join these strings, we get one string as 1, 2, 3. We increment by 1, and now we do the reverse, which means we split the string to each digits as a string, and then we take the integer of each item and return the final list. So let's test if this works okay. You are correct. Okay, the test worked okay, and we will submit our solution. I think everything will work okay. Solution is accepted. Let me know if you have any questions, and happy to hear your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, please like below. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.